good? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are back in the 2018 Mustang GT. What's up? People have been wanting to race the Mustang, and I don't blame them because I have raced a couple vehicles. So everyone kind of just wants to see how their car compares against my stock Mustang on E85, which is good for me and good for you guys because I want to really see what the car can do before we start crazy modding it, because it's just a stock Mustang with an E85 tune. There's nothing else done to it, not even an intake, not even an exhaust, and still on some crappy ass 235 all season tires, so it does not hook at all. But I'm all for seeing where the Mustang's at, and people want to see how fast their car is when they do different mods, so I'm all for it. And I think this is good content, especially before I start putting the turbo parts on, because everything is ordered now besides the cold side kit. So I still need to find an intercooler that I want to use, and I really need to decide, and I haven't, if I'm going to use an air-to-water or an air-to-air intercooler. Under 1,000 horsepower, you can get away with an air-to-air. It's still not the most efficient, but really the best way is to go an air-to-water intercooler. I just don't know if I want to spend that much money up front, or if I should just wait and upgrade it down the road when I upgrade to a bigger turbo, when I do a built motor, built trans, all that stuff. So I'm still deciding on that. We are, however, going to fab the cold side pipes ourselves to save some money, to create some content, and just to, I don't know, actually do something ourselves on the Mustang. So I'm pretty excited about that. But today we've got a couple runs for you against a couple Camaros that want to gang up on me. So, and it's all in good fun. Don't take this stuff too serious. It's really all in good fun. These are good kids, and they just want to run their Camaros against my Mustang. So we're gonna go meet up with them, and we'll catch you guys over there. Almost forgot, guys. Got my passport, and we're headed to Mexico. See you over there. All right, so what's done to it?
Just cam, stage 3, custom grind cam by Texas Speed long tube headers, catless, no cats, and then you got Texas Speed mufflers in the back.
Nice.
And then just the Corsa cold air intake, and then tuned by Justin Carpenter.
Nice. Pump gas?
Yeah, pump gas.
91, cool.
And then street tires.
Oh yeah, we're all on street tires.
Yeah, and then just,
oh yeah, so this is an auto, so this would be good. So it's the 6L80 trans?
yeah,
I think.
and then it's the L99, but it's converted into the LS3.
Oh, okay.
Because it's the auto.
Yeah. Sweet.
But,
have you dynoed it or no?
Yeah, it pushes around 450-ish.
Okay.
And we're gonna try to get it to like 550.
Yeah. Warm start again. There's no exhaust back here. Alright, so this is Ivan's 6th gen. What's all done to it?
So pretty much what it has, I just have an intake, long tube headers, and barely got tuned today.
You got tuned today, that's right. Still on 91? Yeah, still on 91 also. Is yours a manual or auto? Oh, manual, okay. Got another manual in here. He's an auto, so I'm excited to see that run too. So that's a manual, another 6th gen. It's clean, man, I love the color. So we'll give you a little warm start of it. It's a good looking car. Whoa. Man, she's loud. She's loud, dude. God, I love these 6th gens. So we got another manual car, another manual Camaro. So it's just an SS1LE?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she looks good. Have you dynoed it or not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. What do you think it'll make? Over 500?
No, I'd say 480.
480, close to 5, close, yeah. That's a good looking car. So we're all cheap asses on all season tires. There will be no digs here today. No digs in Mexico today. Good? You good? 1, 2, 3! Alright guys, so we just did the first run. The 6th gen jumped hard on me. Not that he jumped too early, but his car got out quick. I spun twice. So it's 50 degrees out, but I spun twice and I started to catch him up top. I started inching towards him and we had to shut it down just because of traffic. So we're gonna go up here and try and get another run. I filmed it on the GoPro and I'm gonna pick up Chase so that he can film for me. So I'm gonna be at a little disadvantage with the weight, but you know, it's all fair. He's got a manual. The 5th gen, I think we all kind of spun at the beginning, but the 6th gen, man, he just freaking went. So we'll get a couple runs in. We'll try. That was 40, so I think we might have to try a higher roll because my car, and I left traction control on, so it shut me down on power. So we'll catch you guys on another one. Myself and the 6th gen just went again, and man, that car is quick. So that was a really close race. Definitely, if he was on E85, he would whoop me. So we're gonna hopefully pull over and see if we can meet up with Chase, and we'll have him film, which is gonna be a disadvantage, like I said. But like I said, I definitely can get him up top once I get going. But man, that 6th gen jumps pretty hard. He's a little bit better gearing than me for a 60 roll. 60 roll's not too good for my car as I'm in 3rd gear. But we'll get a few more in for you and then see if we can race the 5th gen another time. The highway went to 2 lanes right there, so it's a little tough to get some good ones in. This is the sickest shit ever. So you can see his sticker kind of blocks it, but that's freaking cool.
Who honked? Was it you?
The traffic behind us.
Yeah.
Dude, this shit's clear too, man. Oh yeah, you're freaking. Dude, that's crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's the gear. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Riding at Ivan, see if we can give Chase the gap, because someone needs to whoop Chase's ass today. 1 LE versus 1 LE here. You good? 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 1, 2, 3! So here I am, sitting on the floor of Chase's Camaro again. This is very dangerous.
The next day.
Mom, don't watch this. What is that
Laser.
noise? Oh. So I can't even use my seatbelt. Oh, cool, you gotta use your seatbelt? Must be nice, dude. So Ivan's Camaro, it wasn't holding his launch control at 5,000, so he thinks the car wasn't tuned or the tune didn't save. I think it was still tuned and maybe the launch control was just finicky. But we're gonna rerun him just in case his tune wasn't working, so we'll rerun him another day in Mexico.
Tomorrow.
But, which is tomorrow. And we gotta come all the way back to Mexico tomorrow. That's far. That's a lot of traveling, Chase.
That's a lot of trips.
But huge shout out to Ivan for coming out. His car is really quick. And especially for the minimal mods it has, like, it doesn't have that much done to it. Those 6 Gen Camaros run really well. I have to scream because there's no back seat, and this guy's got no freaking exhaust. And huge shout out to Dalton for coming out and running his 5th gen. He's got a little bit of transmission shifting issues, so he's gonna get those squared away and we'll run again. But it was a good run between me and him. We were neck and neck until I hooked up because I did spin a little. But his was having some shifting issues with his auto tune on the transmission. But Ivan and Chase was a really good race. Chase can't ride him right at the end, which is kind of why Ivan thinks his car might not have the full tune in it, but I don't know. I don't know. We'll run again and we'll make it all fair. But they were clean, fair runs. Just need to make sure Ivan's car is good to go.
Yeah.
Chase's car is still running good. Gutted like a freaking race car. Cheater, cheater, cheater.
Ready?
Oh my god, you're gonna light this car on fire, dude. So Mom, if you're seeing this, Kennedy, Kevin,
30 or 45?
Rachel, I may die here.
45? Okay.
I'm riding with Chase so I can film this race, and I got no seat. The seatbelt doesn't work. Chase, I don't trust you at all either.
Well.
But Chase and Dalton want to get a run in before we get back to the United States of America with the good old Donald Trump. So what are you doing, 40 or 45? He wants 45, huh?
Yeah, he wants 45.
Dalton says his auto trans does better in 45, so he's gonna try in 45 and we'll see what happens, Captain. Good? 1, 2, 3! I think we won! Man, his transmission, I heard it again. Dalton, I heard your transmission again. Need to get that cleaned up a little bit. These idiots are about to do a dig on the street. Okay. You guys are wild, dude. David's in hot pursuit. I'm in hot pursuit. Oh, shit. Things are getting wild out here, people. We are in Mexico. We are not in the United States of America. So this is all digitally rendered and never happened. Come over more. Now come this way. Good? Good? Go! I'm stuck out here in the cold just waiting for Chase to come back. That guy says thumbs up. So guess we're gonna hitch a ride. That's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys always enjoy this content. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, Baby39. It's really windy out here. Look, I have no ride. So I'm out here doing this for you guys. We'll see you guys on the next one.
You have your passport?
Yeah, got the passport.
Okay, you got the fly back. I can't go get you, bro. I race all the way to the States.
Dude, how am I supposed to get home? Chase, you better come get my ass!